Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today we'll be creating this Flourish buttercream cake with tiny rosebuds. For the cake I have used a 6-inch. It's been crumb coated and stacked. This is really just demonstrating how to pipe the pattern onto your cake. I just have some regular buttercream and I'll have a recipe linked in the eye icon up top and in the description box below for you guys as well. I have coupled this with meditation-worthy music because the process is actually very calming and I really enjoy watching people do this as well. So I thought, could be suitable. So I've just taken a round piping tip. This is probably like a number 5, so it's not incredibly small hole, not incredibly big either. And I'm just creating these little flourishes. So I'm starting like a really tight and then ending nice and wide. For the spaces in between, you can create large S's to fill in and then create tiny swirls off of the larger ones, again looking to fill in those spaces. Start from the top of the cake, start from the bottom as well, and then right at the end you can create like a little circle right in the middle as you finish. And creating little drops, like little water droplets, by piping up and then back down across the same area of piping. So shells, basically. We're creating little pearls or little shells. After you're done with this piping tip, grab a second color and a 104 piping tip or a 103 like I have here to make even smaller buds. You want to pipe a little S and then create 2 petals over the top of your S. I tried to aim to pipe them over the top of the little water droplets or shells that we created, and that way they look like leaves for our little rosebuds. You can practice this on baking paper or on a plate. Then once you're comfortable with the process and you have that muscle memory down pat, you can go ahead and create it on your cake. You could keep it as a 1 tier, or you could add a top tier again with the same pattern to really add a bit more volume and interest to the cake, but 1 tier still looks pretty awesome too, I think. And that's it. That's how you create buttercream flourishes with little rosettes with a 103 piping tip. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick and easy cake decorating tutorial. If you recreate it, I'd love to see it. #Rosie's Dessert Spot so I can check it out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.